So assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to our new video. So in today's video we are going to cover the topic of the flu. So आज की वीडियो में जो हमने देखना था, कवर करना था, वो है जी ये वाला पैराग्राफ जो आपके सामने है इस टाइम। और मेक श्योर कि आपने हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लेना है और बेल आइकन को भी दबा देना है, ताकि जब भी हम अपनी न्यू वीडियो अपने चैनल पर अपलोड करें तो आपको उसका नोटिफिकेशन रिसीव हो जाए। चलें स्टार्ट करते हैं जी। फॉर द फ्लू, taking flu medicine early in the virus cycle may help reduce severity of illness and shorten the time that you are sick. Rest and hydration are also beneficial for people with the flu. Much like the common cold, the flu often just needs time to work its way through your body. What is the difference between the flu and COVID 19? The symptoms of COVID 19, the flu, and allergies have some overlap but are often different. The main symptoms of COVID 19 are tiredness, fever, cough, shortness of breath. Sneezing is not typical. Flu symptoms are similar to COVID 19, including fever and body aches, but you may not find shortness of breath as you symptom with the flu. Allergy symptoms are usually more chronic and include sneezing, coughing, and wheezing. What are the symptoms of the flu? Here are some of the common symptoms of the flu. Fever. The flu almost always causes an increase in your body temperature. This is also known as the fever. Most flu related fevers range from a low grade fever around 100 degree Fahrenheit to high as 104 degree Fahrenheit. Although alarming, it's not uncommon for young children to have higher fevers than adults. If you suspect your child has the flu, see their doctor. You may feel feverish when you have an elevated temperature. Signs include chills, sweats, or being cold despite your body's high temperature. Most fevers last for less than 1 week, usually around 3 to 4 days. मिलते हैं आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।